Hello and welcome back to A Million Bucks Style. I hope you guys are doing fantastic. Today's video is all about midis and maxis that you can buy today and wear forever because these styles are classics. These are styles that are trend agnostic. It doesn't matter what trends come and go. It does not matter what your shape is or your body is like. It does not matter, guys. As long as you know how to style these outfits, you are gold. Today, I am bringing you styles that I bought from Ajio. Yes, Ajio is making a debut on my channel. I've been wanting to do this for a while because a lot of you sent me comments, and as you know, I always listen to you. I have some gorgeous dresses that you can wear not only on your summer holidays, but you can wear them on your honeymoon. You can wear them in Delhi's hot heat or Chennai, irrespective of where you stay. If it's hot there, you will love wearing these dresses. I think they make the most beautiful dress options because you just throw it on and you get out of the door. You don't need to worry about what to pair them with. You just need to make sure that you have the right undergarments like the one that I'm wearing. And if you want more details, you can always send me a DM on Instagram. I would be happy to share pictures with you, which I unfortunately can't do here. Some of these dresses have been in my closet for over 5 years, including the one that I'm wearing right now. Surprisingly, it's still available in stock. A lot of these brands bring such styles back in stock when they see that people are loving them. So Ajio is a little strict with their return policy, so I end up keeping most of these styles because I absolutely love them. Not only am I going to share some beautiful options for you, I will also help you style them. So watch this video all the way till the end. Let's get started with the first look and I'll see you towards the end of the video. My first dress is a charming white chiffony detailed dress from the brand SAAKAA. It's made out of a soft cotton fabric and can be worn both on as well as off the shoulder. It's a midi length dress that almost reaches my ankles because I'm only 5'2", so that should give you some reference in terms of how it'll fit you. It features puff sleeves and an adjustable tie-up detail on the shoulders to keep them in place, adding a touch of romance and femininity. It reminds me of the white dress Sridevi wore in the movie Chandni and looked absolutely ethereal. The dress is crafted from white cotton fabric detailed with eyelet embroidery, which lends texture and a visual interest. The smock bodice is what caught my attention, and I love how it hugs my curves beautifully and gives it a flattering fit, while the tiered skirt adds volume and movement. I've accessorized it with a pair of pearl embellished flat sandals from Metro and added these beautiful crystal drop earrings from Sofetch. They instantly make the look a whole lot richer. I added a striking orange woven handbag from Ferragamo along with a pair of brown sunglasses from H&M's menswear collection, and you're done. This look is perfect for a lazy brunch, a weekend outing with your friends, and of course that much needed summer holiday. You can even dress it for various other occasions by simply switching the accessories and adding small little elements. For example, for a relaxed look, you can pair the dress with slim fit white sneakers, a denim jacket and a crossbody bag. This approach keeps the outfit comfortable and suitable for day trips and casual gatherings. And for an evening event, simply swap the sandals for heels and choose a clutch bag to complete the sophisticated look. The options are endless, making it a great choice for different occasions. Available on Ajio for ₹800 at 60% off, it's a timeless design and flattering silhouette which suits women who appreciate elegance and comfort in their wardrobe. My next look is this vibrant green floral dress from the brand BANI Boman that's flowy and dreamy at the same time. Imagine a dress that creates the perfect hourglass silhouette without needing a belt. The dress features a lovely floral pattern in soft greens, pinks and whites on a sea green background, creating a vibrant yet elegant appearance. It has a wrap around yoke design which is both flattering and easy to wear, accentuating the waist with a tie detail. The V-neck offers a balanced look that's perfect for both casual and formal settings. The dress has 3/4 length sleeves and an elastic detail, and the soft leva fabric allows the dress to move with you freely, giving it the most ethereal look. To style it, I went with a pair of simple gold hoops, clear acrylic strap wedge heels, and a top handle bag from H&M that completes the look. The addition of sunglasses give it the perfect finishing touch, adding a contemporary edge to the overall outfit. This dress is perfect for various occasions, and if you style it with flat sandals and a sun hat, you can wear it for a relaxed day out or a picnic in the park. To switch gears and style it for work, simply add a light blazer in cream or white and swap the sandals for closed-toe tan flats for a professional look. The dress is a beautiful find available on Ajio for ₹1160 at 60% off, making it a versatile and affordable addition into your closet. It's perfect for transitioning from day to night and suitable for multiple occasions with just a few accessory swaps. My next look is a high star dress that I've had in my closet for over 5 years, and every time I want a look that's effortless yet looks feminine and polished, I reach for this midi, which on me is a maxi because I'm only 5'2". I'm so glad it's still in stock and super happy to add it into this haul even after so many years. It's made from a soft cotton fabric and features a soft flowy silhouette with a beautiful blue and white tie and dye pattern, perfect for a fresh and trendy look. The sleeveless design with spaghetti straps and a relaxed fit make it ideal for warm weather, while the tiered skirt adds a playful touch. I love tying the straps on my back and not on my shoulders, giving it a unique and personalized touch, so give it a try. Although it's not transparent at all, I would still advise you to keep your lingerie in the nude color family. I accessorized it with a cork top handle bag from Ferragamo, clear strappy wedges from 20 Dresses, big bold pearl drop earrings from So Fetch, and a chic pair of sunglasses from H&M. It's your perfect summer dress and can be styled for more formal occasions as well. Perfect for a beach outing, pair this dress with flip-flops, a wide-brimmed straw hat, and a beach tote. You might also add a lightweight linen shirt over the dress for style and to protect you from the harsh sun. Alternatively, you can dress it up for dinner by adding a light blazer and swap the bag for a sleek, structured clutch bag and opt for closed-toe heels for a formal vibe. It's available at a steal for Rs 675 only at 75% off, which is amazing considering when I bought it, it was at full price. This versatile dress with its eye-catching pattern and comfortable silhouette allows for multiple styling options, making it suitable for various settings and occasions, so do give it a try. Trust me, you will not regret this one. Look 4 is another stunner in a lovely shade of vibrant green from the brand Max, featuring a beautiful textured green midi dress with a square neckline and wide shoulder straps, perfect for showcasing the shoulders and neck. The fabric of the dress is slightly crinkled, enhancing its casual yet elegant appeal, while the full skirt adds a touch of grace and movement. The smock detail yoke of the dress hugs your curves in the most flattering manner, flaring out from below the waist, and the addition of pockets makes it an even sweeter deal. My choice of accessories includes a pair of emerald and diamond earrings to jazz up the overall outfit's appeal and a pair of strappy silver heels from Mango. I added some bracelets and rings from So Fetch and completed the look with a striking striped clutch in shades of blue and green from Ferragamo with a pair of sleek black sunglasses, overall creating a polished look. You can also style it in a casual manner by swapping the sandals for slim fit sneakers, adding a denim jacket over the shoulders and a simple leather backpack or a tote bag. This will give your outfit a laid back, approachable vibe. This dress's vibrant color and versatile cut makes it suitable for many occasions, from relaxed gatherings to a more formal event. The most amazing part about these dresses is that you can simply layer it with a t-shirt or a shirt and create multiple outfits with them. Its eye-catching hue and flattering silhouette are ideal for a woman looking to stand out and feel confident in her style. I bought it for Rs 1039 at 20% off, and I think it's a conversation starter no matter where you choose to wear it. My next look is from the brand BANI Woman, and I bought 2 dresses from this brand because I absolutely loved the fit and flare silhouette of the dress. The previous dress was made from a soft leva fabric, but this one's 100% cotton. It features a bold blue and white abstract pattern, giving it a vibrant and eye-catching look. Thanks to the wrap, V-neck design and 3/4 sleeves, the dress creates the perfect balancing silhouette. The waist is cinched with an elastic smocked effect, allowing for a fit that contours the waistline, while the full midi-length skirt adds volume and movement, ideal for a variety of occasions. I styled it with a pair of acrylic strap heels, old oxidized silver jhumkas and tinted sunglasses, and a top handle bag in a gorgeous chocolate brown color from H&M. I absolutely love how the bag complements both lighter as well as dark hues, making it a must-have in anyone's closet. The snugly fit and flare of the dress emphasizes the narrowest part of your waist, which is flattering for most body shapes, including hourglass, apple, and pear shapes. While the neckline is excellent for elongating the neck and minimizing the bust, making it flattering for those with both larger and smaller bust. Women with wider hips will find such styles super flattering, as it helps balance wider shoulders and hips, creating a harmonious silhouette that is particularly flattering for pear shape and hourglass figures. The combination of these elements make this dress exceptionally versatile and flattering on a wide range of body types, allowing for both comfort and style in any setting. Priced beautifully at Rs 840 at 65% off, it is a must-have in any fashionable woman's wardrobe, so do give it a shot. Those of you who follow me on Instagram loved this dress when I recently posted a story of me wearing it for a family get together, and I had to share it here. I bought this dress on Myntra a few weeks ago and added it into this video because the response was simply brilliant. It's available on Myntra and Ajio and is priced the same, so choose from wherever you want to buy. I will share the links for both. It's from the brand Aayusika and features a striking polka dot pattern in varying sizes, creating a dynamic and visually interesting effect. The dress has a flowing, full-length cut with a cinched waist that enhances the silhouette, and I love the addition of pockets in almost all these dresses, including this one. It is made from 100% cotton fabric and has a round neckline with buttons and short sleeves with elastic detailing, making it both comfortable as well as stylish. To style it, I added these delicate dual pearl earrings that I've had in my closet for many years and paired it with a pair of minimal strap heels from BANI, which again I've had in my closet for many years, and a chic black woven handbag from H&M, adding a touch of sophistication. A simple hairband gives the face a new look, and I love experimenting with hairstyles to show you how changing the way you tie your hair can make a huge difference to the ensemble. To wear this dress for a formal or business meeting, pair the dress with a tailored black blazer, subtle gold or silver jewelry, and a large tote bag. Opt for closed-toe pumps to keep the look business appropriate. Alternatively, you can even wear this dress to a formal daytime social event by accessorizing it with colorful jewelry to contrast with the monochrome palette and adding a bright handbag for a pop of color. Comfortable wedges would be great for an all-day event. I'm not sure if you paid attention to this little detail on the dress. On the back of the neck of the dress, there is a tiny heart embroidered, which gives this dress a beautiful, unique touch. This dress's classic charm and elegant cut makes it a versatile choice, suitable for a wide range of settings and body type, and when it's available at a 65% off at a price point of Rs 1260, what's not to love here? Last but not the least is a classic timeless dress that every elegant woman needs in her wardrobe. I love the addition of pockets, and the solid white color increases its versatility, making it a perfect canvas for a range of accessories and shoe choices. This stylish white dress is from the brand High Star and is designed with a flattering V neckline and 3/4 sleeves, ideal for a refined yet comfortable look. The gathered or pleated waistline enhances the figure, while the flared hem adds a playful and graceful touch. Its ability to be dressed up or down, combined with a flattering cut that suits various body type, ensures it remains a go-to choice for many occasions. To style it for a summer holiday setting, I chose a pair of tan flats from Mochi with gold embellished details that are super comfortable, perfect for long hours of walking, and added some dainty pearl earrings and bracelets and rings from Sofetch that elevates the look instantly. The blank canvas of the dress gives you the opportunity to add tastefully selected accessories like a belt to define and contour your waist, giving it an hourglass silhouette. And the finishing touch is a straw hat from H&M's menswear collection that immediately makes this look a lot more travel friendly. I love this hat that I stole from my husband's closet and looks super stylish on him as well as me. Talk about perks. Simply add a tan bag like I have here and you are ready for a stylish outing, looking like a famous diva yourself. Alternatively, for a more formal event, simply swap the flats with high-heeled sandals to elevate the look for formal settings. I'll be sharing how to style this dress in multiple manners on shorts as well as reels on my Instagram account, so don't forget to check that out. Priced at Rs 1035 at 45% off, the versatility and elegance of this dress makes it an excellent investment, easy to adapt to various styles and settings, enhancing any woman's wardrobe, so definitely give it a shot. Well, that was the video, guys. I hope you guys truly enjoyed yourself. Let me know in the comment section below what else you guys would like to watch from me next. I love receiving your suggestions. My calendar is full of your suggestions. So be assured, if you've sent me a suggestion, I will schedule it and I will share some options with you very soon. If you're unsure in terms of what kind of bras you need to wear with such dresses or what inners to wear inside these midi dresses and maxi dresses, you can always send me a DM on Instagram. I'm going to leave the details right here so that you can access it. For whatever reason, if you're not on Instagram, you can always send me an email. I have linked my email in the description box below as well as in my bio, so do check it out. Send me an email if you want to discuss something personal and you don't want it to be on a public platform. I would be happy to read it and respond to you. I will see you guys again very soon. Until then, keep it stylish and always look and feel like $1,000,000. Bye guys, lots of love.